For centuries, the people of Afram Plains have relied on ferries to cross the Afram River. While these ferries have served the area for many years, frequent delays and seasonal disruptions have impeded easy movement of people, goods, and the provision of essential services. The Ekye Amanfrom Bridge, a 3.6-kilometer permanent bridge, will be the longest in Ghana and will replace the ferries, providing safe, reliable, and all-weather crossing. As part of government's Big Push infrastructure program, it will connect the Afram Plains to the national road network and unlock the significant potential of one of Ghana's most important food baskets. The bridge will make it easier for farmers to transport maize, cassava, yam, rice, and other produce to markets, reducing travel time. It will also improve access to healthcare, education, and other essential services, while creating jobs, attracting investment, and supporting food security. Expected to be completed by the end of 2028, the Ekye Amanfrom Bridge is a gateway to opportunity, bringing communities closer to markets, services, and a better future.